Hey guys, this is Jimmy and Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I'm here to do a little bit of a combo haul because some of the stuff I ordered came in. Yay! Okie dokie then. So I have little things from Not Too Shabby Shop and from crafterscompanion.com and my Tonic Craft Kit of the month. Woohoo! Alright, so let's start with the Not Too Shabby Shop. As you know, I am on her design team, but I end up purchasing a whole bunch of stuff. So she had the slimline dies in, which I am obsessed with making them now. I mean, I don't know why. I don't know. It's just fun. I guess it's a different size and shape. So she had restocked this. This is the third time that I've tried to get this one. So she restocked it and I was like, yes, go to the shop, put it in my cart. And so you get 2 scalloped edges, and they also have stitch edging. Then you have these 3 little banners that you can use. And so these are straight here, so if you wanted to, you could use them as a hanging down banner. But banner, what is a banner? A hanging down banner, a little teeny tiny one. So, you know, you could do banners across. These are a little tilted, so that would be a little different. Then she came out with this one from Trinity Stamps. Oh my gosh. And you guys know how obsessed I am with houses and so forth. So when I saw this posted on her Facebook page. So if you're not on the Facebook page, definitely go check that out. Because she posts a lot of stuff over there before she gets the chance to video it. So I saw this like early in the morning or whenever she posted it. And since I get notifications, I was like, let me go over to the shop. So you've got the floor, the wainscoting, you've got this whole window. So you've got window, or these could be picture frames. You got different like flowering pots, and they give you some little types of flowers to put in it. There's a bar here for your curtains, which that's a curtain. They've got a rug here that has 3 layers for your rug that you can like put right there. The only thing this is missing is, you know, like you need a couch. It reminds me of those bit emoji videos where you have like, need your little couch and so forth. So maybe Trinity, you'll come up with that too. So you have your little couch and everything. Although I have plenty of dies that'll do that now that I'm thinking about it. Ooh, cottage cuts. And then you have these 2 bars up here. Now, I haven't seen a demonstration video, and they should probably put an example on their packaging. Just an idea, Trinity Stamps. But I'm wondering if these are the wainscoting top and bottom is what I'm thinking. That you would cut that because you have a little layer at the top for wainscoting. So I'm wondering if that's what that is. So lovely. So I got those 2. Then the whole Nativity, the Crafter's Companion Nativity collection debacle on HSN. They always have some kind of issue, which is like, really? Come on. Every single craft day, there's an issue with Crafter's Companion. Anyway, they did the demonstrations over and over again, and they said that the die, one of the dies was supposed to be in there, and it wasn't. So, big old deal. And what was disappointing about it is Crafter's Companion didn't make it right. They were just like, oh, I'm sorry, I did the wrong thing, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay. Now, because I really wanted the die, and I wanted the other die that they had, I went and bought the package on the actual Crafter's Companion website. So this was the die that was advertised as being in the collection on HSN, which wasn't. So I was like, okay. Which, after I purchased it, I was kind of mad at myself because I do have some more nativities, but it's just the point that I'm like, okay, if I buy the collection, I want the whole collection. Then these 2 were not on HSN, which was stated ahead of time, so everybody knew that. So you have this one, which is the piece and the star. And the fun thing about the stars is that this star is that it is multi-layered. So you do that. And then the piece, you have 2 different piece words. You have the big thick ones and these tiny little ones. So you could do either one, which is kind of cool, or layer them up. So this one we knew wasn't on HSN. And then this is the one. Look at that joy. Ah, look look at that script. This is the one that it was so funny. This is the one that we were all looking at, and so many people were like, I want the whole collection because of this die. And this is the one, well, apparently 3, but this is the die that HSN, that they talked about HSN specifically passing on. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is the one die that makes me want the whole collection all together. And it was so funny because there were lots of other people in the comments that were like, they didn't pick that one up. I can't believe it. That's the one that made me want it. So that was really funny that was the one die that HSN decided, no, we don't want it. Because the comments were like, yeah, that's what we want. So that was a funny one. Okay, so now my nativity is complete, so I'm happy about that now. All right, then let's get on with the Tonic Craft Kit. Now, I was going to do a separate video and a separate unboxing, but I'm like, yeah, why? So, this is Craft Kit 34, which is so fabulous, so fabulous. I love Tonic. All right, so you get a glitter marker. And it said it was supposed to be a different color, like a darker blue, but it's okay because I like this blue, which is Blue Bliss. I don't know if it wants to focus right. I guess not, but it's a marker. There you go. We've got this, which is, I forget, Glitter Accents. Now, I believe I have this one now twice because I think this is the one that came in my grab bag. So I think I actually have 2 of these now. So, yay. Because, you know, I do like the browns. It is fall. We've got this crystal drop, which is gorgeous. I love it. So you can see there's a brownish theme going on here. Then there is this glitter. Pure Sheen glitter. Now, I am not a glitter person. I do not really use glitter, like loose glitter, and then put it on something very much. So it's kind of funny that we got this humongous, this is a regular full size, this humongous jar of glitter. The funny thing about it is brown though. So just looking at it in the package is like, ooh, Christmas. I know, craziness. Then we have the Midnight Surf. And it's a hybrid ink. So let me discuss hybrid inks for a little bit. I have some people ask questions. So hybrid inks act like dye-based inks as well as like permanent inks or alcohol inks. It's a blend of the two, which is why they call it hybrid. So if you have these types of inks, you can do your alcohol and your watercoloring, or you could do your alcohol, watercoloring, and your color pencil. So you don't have to keep going back and, you know, get 2 of these Midnight Surfs to do what you need to do. You can just use the one, which I think is fabulous. And my favorite so far, I do like the Nuvo ones from Tonic, and I also love the hybrid inks from My Favorite Things. Yeah. Okay, so let's go with the papers now. They changed envelopes. They gave us this yellow one. So, this is a lovely color here. So, it's like a peachy brown. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Mirror card. They gave this to us in another package. I want to say it was in the Bloom and Blossom. But this is so lovely. I love it. I hoard these papers because they only give you one. You got this one, and look at that texture on there. These are my colors. We know blue, but I love fall colors as well. And they gave us this one. I keep saying gave us as if we didn't pay for it. But I like this kind of like peppery paper. Then you've got this gorgeousness. Look at that satin, huh? So look, when you put, and this is obviously why they put them all together, but look at that together. Isn't that gorgeous? What? Then you've got this blue, this coppery color, and then the sheet that tells you what's in it. love it. I was surprised. I thought this month there's usually a paper pad in it, but there was no paper pad in this one. So it's kind of weird. I was like, oh, okay. Then you get your craft kit 34. And I like these little craft folders that they have. I've got a nice little collection going on over there. So look. First of all, here's the sticker. Creativity never goes out of style. How awesome. Now we're just going to take that right on off and stick it right there. I love browns. Oh, fall colors are lovely. Oh, they make my day. Da, da, da. I don't know. I'm taking a little longer this time. I'm so sorry. So we'll pull this out. I'll put this like this so you can see the back. So you get a small set of stamps with it. So you can see Art Deco. And then you have the dies. So you get this set of dies here. And so you get a kind of a background piece, an inside piece, another inside piece, and these pieces cut into your card. Okay, and then these pieces help cut it out. So you have both options. And look at all that Art Deco loveliness. Yes. And then here's the other one, which gives you a stitched background. You have another set of in and out. And then another one here. And then you've got two more sentiments. So I think this says thinking of you. And I have no idea what that says. I'll have to cut it out. Isn't that awesome? So, of course, if you've been on my channel any amount of time, you know that steampunk and Art Deco are steampunk, Art Deco, Gothic, and then if you can mix all of them together, are my faves. So, yep, I was like, yes. All right, so thanks for watching. That is my video. I hope you guys are doing well, and don't forget to stick around and come back for a hop video this Friday for the Not Too Shabby Shop. The Not Too Shabby Shop. And definitely check out the other ladies who are on the design team for that. And I hope you are doing well. And tomorrow is an ATC collab video. So if you want to play along, go look at the previous video and you can do that with us. All right, bye.